What if I told you there are 8 collagen-rich fruits that can ease joint stiffness, reduce numbness, and restore the strength in your legs, backed by real clinical science? One of these fruits has been shown in a peer-reviewed European journal to increase collagen density by up to 24% and reduce knee pain by as much as 42%, within just weeks of regular intake in older adults. Here's the critical truth. After age 60, your body dramatically slows down its natural collagen production. Collagen is not just for skin, it's the structural protein that holds together your joints, ligaments, tendons, and muscles. Without it, joints dry out, mobility declines, and even small movements become painful or exhausting. That tingling in your hands, the tightness behind your knees, the leg cramps that wake you at night, they're not random signs of aging. They're direct signals from your body, telling you that its collagen reserves are running low. But there's good news. If you consistently eat the right fruits, those rich in vitamin C healing enzymes and protective flavonoids, you can naturally stimulate your body to produce collagen again. This isn't theory, it's real, practical nutrition for healthy aging based on science, not guesswork. And it all starts now, with the fruit ranked number 8 on our list. Collagen is the soft framework that supports your body from within. It forms the core structure of joints, tendons, ligaments, and muscles, allowing your body to bend, move, and stay balanced with strength. Unlike calcium, which strengthens bones, collagen acts like the flexible glue that holds your entire movement system together. After age 60, your body's ability to produce collagen drops sharply. As a result, your tissues begin to dry out and lose elasticity. This is why many older adults experience symptoms such as tingling in the hands, nighttime leg cramps, joint stiffness, and that frustrating weakness when trying to stand up or walk. The good news? You don't need synthetic supplements or expensive treatments. Your body can still produce collagen if you give it the right building blocks. And those building blocks are found in specific fruits that are naturally rich in vitamin C enzymes and flavonoids. But not all fruits are created equal. Some only protect existing collagen, while others actively stimulate new collagen production. When combined correctly, they work in synergy, fighting inflammation, improving blood flow, and rebuilding your body from the inside out. This is the foundation of natural collagen recovery. And in the next segment, we'll explore the exact fruits that trigger these effects, starting with a gentle, yet powerful one. Fruit number 8 is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, a gentle but powerful collagen initiator for seniors. Amla is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet, with up to 478 milligrams per 100 grams, nearly 10 times more than an orange. For adults over 60, this matters deeply. Vitamin C is not just an antioxidant, it's the raw material your body needs to produce collagen in muscles, joints, and connective tissue. Amla activates 2 essential enzymes, lysyl hydroxylase and prolyl hydroxylase, which are responsible for stabilizing and forming mature collagen fibers. A 2005 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirmed that amla extract significantly boosts the activity of both enzymes, supporting joint flexibility, soft tissue resilience, and circulation. But that's not all. Amla also contains gallic acid and ellagic acid, 2 compounds that protect existing collagen from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, major culprits behind joint degeneration and poor mobility in seniors. Unlike acidic fruits that may irritate the digestive tract, amla is gentle, making it ideal for sensitive stomachs. It can be consumed as a mild tea, diluted juice, or dried powder added to morning meals. Think of amla as the soft knock on the door, gently waking up your body's collagen-making machinery that's been dormant for years. Black raspberries take the number 7 spot as a powerful collagen protector, especially vital for seniors experiencing joint discomfort and leg weakness. Unlike fruits that stimulate collagen production directly, black raspberries work behind the scenes, shielding type 2 collagen, the primary structural protein in knee cartilage and spinal discs, from enzymatic degradation. These deep purple berries are rich in anthocyanins, potent flavonoids known for their anti-inflammatory properties. A 2014 study in the Nutrition and Cancer Journal found that black raspberries can inhibit matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes that break down connective tissue. By blocking MMPs, these berries help preserve cartilage integrity, slow down joint degeneration, and ease pain caused by inflammation. Additionally, black raspberries support microcirculation in the legs, improving blood flow through tiny capillaries that often become stiff or narrowed with age. Enhanced circulation helps relieve nighttime leg cramps, reduce numbness, and promote overall mobility. Another benefit is their compatibility with common senior health concerns. Black raspberries are low in sugar, non-acidic, and easy on digestion, making them suitable for those with diabetes or sensitive stomachs. For best results, consume them as a smoothie, or paired with unsweetened yogurt for added probiotic support. Think of black raspberries as the protective shield, guarding your collagen foundation so it doesn't erode under daily wear and tear. Blueberries hold the 6th position on this list as a powerful nutrient transporter, essential for seniors seeking to rebuild strength in their legs and joints. While they don't produce collagen directly, blueberries play a crucial role in delivering collagen-building nutrients to the areas that need them most, particularly the knees, calves, and feet, where circulation often weakens with age. These small, dark berries are rich in anthocyanins, which not only reduce oxidative stress but also enhance the body's ability to utilize vitamin C for collagen synthesis. More importantly, blueberries help increase nitric oxide production, a molecule that widens blood vessels and improves microcirculation. This means that essential nutrients like proline, glycine, and vitamin C can reach the deepest layers of connective tissue more efficiently. A 2011 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that anthocyanins in blueberries support collagen turnover, replacing damaged fibers with stronger, more elastic ones. In another study from the University of Florida, postmenopausal women who consumed blueberry smoothies daily saw a 21% improvement in peripheral blood flow in just 8 weeks. Gentle on digestion, blueberries can be eaten fresh, or blended into a morning smoothie to support both nutrient absorption and circulation. Think of blueberries as the highway system, clearing the path for collagen to do its healing work, right where your body needs it. Strawberries earn the number 5 spot as a potent collagen builder, especially valuable for seniors aiming to restore strength, balance, and joint health. Unlike some fruits that only support existing collagen, strawberries actively contribute to the formation of new collagen, particularly type 1 collagen, which is the most abundant in muscles, tendons, and skin. What makes strawberries so effective is their unique combination of vitamin C and manganese, 2 key nutrients involved in collagen synthesis. Just 100 grams of strawberries provide about 59 milligrams of vitamin C and a meaningful amount of manganese, both of which work together to stimulate collagen production and stabilize newly formed fibers. According to a study published in the Archives of Dermatological Research, this combination can increase collagen production by up to 30% while also suppressing collagen-degrading enzymes. Additionally, strawberries are rich in flavonoids like quercetin, which help reduce inflammation in cartilage, relieving joint pain and improving flexibility. Strawberries also support blood sugar regulation and gut health thanks to their soluble fiber, making them ideal for older adults managing diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Best consumed fresh, in a smoothie, or mixed with other berries. Strawberries act as the construction crew, laying down strong collagen scaffolding that improves mobility, standing balance, and joint support naturally over time. Papaya ranks number 4 as a powerful collagen regenerator, working at a deeper level to break down damaged tissue and rebuild connective structures from the ground up. Its unique strength lies in papain, a natural enzyme that helps digest excess protein and clear away hardened, scar-like buildup in joints and muscles, a common issue in seniors with long-standing inflammation. Papain not only improves digestion but also boosts the absorption of key amino acids like glycine and proline, which are the building blocks of collagen. A 2009 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that papaya consumption significantly increased the body's ability to utilize these amino acids. activating an enzyme called collagen synthetase, critical for forming new, stable collagen fibers in tendons and ligaments. Papaya also supports systemic recovery by reducing C-reactive protein, CRP, a well-known inflammatory marker. In a clinical trial conducted in Malaysia in 2017, older adults who consumed papaya daily showed lower CRP levels and improved tendon healing, particularly in the knees and calves. In addition, papaya is gentle on digestion, making it ideal for seniors who struggle with bloating or poor nutrient absorption. Enjoy it fresh, or blend it with pineapple or guava for a complete collagen repair smoothie. Think of papaya as the deep cleanser, removing what's damaged so your body can rebuild stronger than before. Pineapple ranks number 3 as a powerful anti-inflammatory hero, especially valuable for seniors dealing with joint swelling, chronic pain, or slow recovery after injuries. Its standout compound is bromelain, a natural enzyme that breaks down protein and has been extensively studied for its therapeutic effects on inflammation and circulation. Bromelain works by reducing pro-inflammatory compounds such as prostaglandins and cytokines, which are major contributors to joint stiffness and soft tissue swelling. A 2001 review in Alternative Medicine Review reported that bromelain supplementation significantly lowered joint pain and improved function in patients with arthritis, without the side effects associated with common medications. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, bromelain also helps clear excess fibrin from the blood, improving circulation to the lower limbs. This can be a game-changer for older adults experiencing cold feet, tingling calves, or nighttime leg cramps, all of which are linked to poor microvascular blood flow. Pineapple also contains vitamin C, manganese, thiamine, and vitamin B6, a nutrient combination that supports both collagen synthesis and muscle recovery. For best results, enjoy pineapple fresh in the morning, or as a cold-pressed juice with a slice of ginger to boost its anti-inflammatory potency. Think of pineapple as the cleanup crew, reducing swelling, restoring blood flow, and preparing your joints for deeper healing. Guava earns the number 2 spot as a powerful collagen booster, ideal for seniors looking to improve joint flexibility, reduce muscle cramps, and restore mobility. What sets guava apart is its extraordinary vitamin C content, between 200 to 300 milligrams per 100 grams, far surpassing oranges and strawberries. Vitamin C is essential for synthesizing both type 1 and type 2 collagen, the structural proteins found in muscles, ligaments, and cartilage. Guava also contains quercetin, a potent flavonoid shown to inhibit COX-2 enzymes, which are directly involved in chronic inflammation. A 2012 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that older adults who consumed guava daily for 6 weeks experienced a 24% increase in collagen density, along with improved knee flexibility, reduced morning stiffness, and easier transitions from sitting to standing. Beyond collagen synthesis, guava contributes to better blood circulation thanks to its high potassium and soluble fiber content, which help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of leg cramps or poor balance, especially at night. Guava is versatile and easy to incorporate into daily meals. It can be eaten fresh, or blended with pineapple and papaya for a collagen-enhancing smoothie. Think of guava as the accelerator pedal, speeding up collagen regeneration while easing the movements that keep you active and independent. Kiwi takes the number 1 spot as the ultimate collagen absorption key, helping your body not only produce collagen, but actually absorb and utilize it in the connective tissues where it's needed most. What makes kiwi unique is actinidin, a natural enzyme similar to papain, which helps break down complex proteins into short peptides that are easier for the body to absorb and convert into collagen. A 2010 study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed kiwi alongside meals experienced a 27% increase in collagen peptide absorption, along with noticeable improvements in single leg balance, a critical measure of fall risk in seniors. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, potassium, and soluble fiber, all of which support joint health, regulate blood pressure, and improve digestion. These factors collectively reduce symptoms like leg numbness, night cramps, and postural instability, common complaints among adults over 60. Experts recommend eating kiwi in the morning or evening, when the enzyme actinidin is most active and can support both digestion and nutrient uptake. Just one kiwi a day can set off a chain reaction: better absorption, stronger joints, and restored mobility. Think of kiwi as the final key in the collagen puzzle, activating everything you've already consumed and unlocking your body's full healing potential. Meet Richard, a 67-year-old retired structural engineer from Ohio. After decades of physical work, Richard expected a comfortable retirement, but instead, he faced an unexpected decline in mobility. His calves felt tight, his legs tingled, and standing up from a chair became a daily struggle. Despite no major medical diagnosis, his doctor attributed the issue to age-related collagen loss and poor leg circulation. Instead of relying on more medications, Richard turned to nutrition. With guidance from his daughter, a licensed nutritionist, he began a simple but consistent routine: a daily smoothie made with guava, kiwi, and pineapple, a combination rich in vitamin C bromelain and enzymes that support collagen synthesis and absorption. The results were remarkable. After 3 weeks, he could stand up without using his hands. By week 5, he was climbing 2 flights of stairs without fatigue. After 3 months, Richard was walking over a mile every morning, free of pain, cramps, or balance issues. He now grows his own fruit, cycles regularly, and teaches other seniors how to rebuild strength naturally. His message is simple: you're not weak because you're old, you're weak because your body is missing something. And that something might already be in your kitchen. Richard's story proves that age is not the end, it's a turning point. Now that you've discovered the 8 most powerful collagen-rich fruits, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the next fall, the next painful cramp, or another restless night. Start simple. Choose just 1 or 2 fruits today, and begin weaving them into your daily routine. Swap out your usual breakfast with a collagen-rich smoothie using guava, kiwi, or pineapple. It's not a drastic change, it's a smart one. This journey isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, small, daily choices that build real strength over time. We want to hear from you. Leave a comment below saying, "I'm ready," and we'll send you our 7-day natural collagen recovery meal plan, designed specifically for seniors looking to rebuild leg strength, reduce joint pain, and regain independence. Also, tell us, which fruit are you already using? Have you noticed any changes in how your legs feel or how you move? You are not alone. This is more than a video, it's a growing community of seniors taking control of aging with wisdom, science, and natural healing. And remember, don't let another day go by with your collagen slipping away. Living long is not enough. You deserve to live strong. Now's the time. Your next step toward better mobility could start with just 1 fruit.